send out a message to someone who is very special. I don't think a lot of you guys have had the privilege to get to know her as well as I have, because she's new this year. She's the new Women's RD. And her name is Amanda Alquist. She's sitting right here. Amanda, can you stand up for us? Over the past month or so that I've gotten to know Amanda, I've been very honest with how I feel about her as a person. And I say this honestly to you guys, I don't think there's anything wrong with Amanda. Like, she's the perfect individual. And I wanted to share a song that is kind of a connection that we share, I feel, because it's a television show that we both love to watch. But the words in it are so true to how I view you in our relationship. So, when you're out on the road, feeling lonely and so cold, all you gotta do is call my name and I'll be there on the next train. Where you lead, I will follow anywhere that you tell me to. If you need me to be with you, I will follow you. I will follow anywhere that you tell me to. If you need